Let me tell you the truth most people won't say or talk about. In Nigeria, money is very, but it is not the starting point of providing value. Is actually the currency. It is the money you need to start. I told us a story of how I started my land GSM phone business in 2012, shortly after I left my banking and became terribly broke. Nobody was willing to give me money to restart my life or start a business even after pitching a good number of persons. And you know the worst part of it? I needed to feed. I needed a life. In fact, at a point I had gone 3 or 4 good days without food, except for some small gari I found in my kitchen and some small chops that I just discovered here and there in the house. If you recall, I wrote a book about this very story in my book, How to Start a Business Without. But listen here, if you are waiting for capital before you start, you will wait forever. So let me show you how to start a business without money in Nigeria here in this year, 2026. And I need you to pay attention. And it is the step-by-step process that can allow you to start from scratch in this 2026, because a lot of things have changed. But something remains constant, and that's the value we always talk about, the value you provide. Fortunately, a lot of people want that remains constant as well. It is therefore your startup capital. So listen here, let's just go right into it, because there's step number 1. Start with, not a product. It's very simple. Look around you. What are people constantly complaining about? I know for sure logistics is one, housing, laundry, and so many other things. Sales, personnel, or business visibility, paperwork, accounting, customers, just name it. There are so many. Every complaint is a business opportunity wearing camouflage. It's as simple as, let's go to step 2. Sell what you don't own yet. You don't need a shop. You don't need inventory to start. All you need right now is access. So find people who already have what others need. Then position yourself as the connector, the middleman. That's called brokerage. It's also called agency, and that is a business. Step 3, use skills instead of cash. In 2026, skills pay faster than certificates, my dear. Skills like sales skills, content creation skills, negotiation skills, marketing, customer service skills. The list is endless. If you can help someone make money using any of the skills, they will gladly pay you. No capital is required to start. Step 4, get your customer first before you perfect any. Don't wait to build a logo. Don't wait to register with CAC. Start conversations. Make offers. Solve one problem for one person first. Get paid by that person before you think of the next step. I won't waste my time here. Let's go to number 5. Reinvest discipline, not luxury. Your first profit is not for enjoyment, it is for growth. Use it to buy tools, procure data, find more skills and start learning. Build systems with it. That's how real businesses are built in Nigeria. Quiet, strategically, and without money. Now, my question to you is simple. Would you try this? Comment yes if you will, and let's build some. I'll see you again. Bye for now.